This is Realme 12 Plus, and today I'll show how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to start, there are quite a few ways you can take the screenshot with. So the most generic and probably the most apparent method is to simultaneously press and hold the volume down and power keys like that. You also can use the gesture, the three finger down gesture to capture a screenshot. I guess you can also hold your fingers like that to make a partial screenshot. Yep. There's also a method, or the control panel shortcut method. So open your control panel, unfold it, find the screenshot icon and simply tap on it, and as you can see, the screenshot gets taken. The smartphone also allows you to change the preferences and screenshot settings. In order to find those properties and modify them, you'll first need to launch the settings app. Here enter the additional settings, screenshot, and here are the options you can change. In order to find the screenshots afterwards, just open whatever file or gallery explorer app you prefer using. Then go into albums, and all screenshots are automatically saved to their separate screenshots folder where you can access them. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.